Right, so we have a question where it is if a hyperbola passes through the point P 10, 16 and has vertices at plus minus 6, 0, then the equation of the normal at P is. So we have a point which is given to us 10, 16 and the vertices are plus minus 6, 0. So moving. The vertex of parabola, the general terms is plus minus a, 0, equating it to plus minus 6, 0. We have a equal to 6. So that putting this in general equation of hyperbola, which is x square minus a square upon y square minus b square equals to 1. We have a, we put it over here, which gives us x square minus a square, which is 36, minus y square minus b square is equals to 1. So as in the question it's given p 10, 16 is a point which lies on the parabola. So putting 10, 16 in x and y, we have 100 upon 36. We have 100 upon 36 minus y square upon b square, which is 256 upon b square. This goes on to the right hand side, becomes positive, and plus 1 comes here, becomes negative minus 1. So basically we have 100 upon 36 minus 1 is equal to 256 upon b square. 256 upon b square, then we evaluate the LHS. 256 upon b square, then we evaluate the LHS. This comes up to be 100 minus 36 upon 36, which is 64 upon 36. 4 upon 36 is equals to 256 upon b square. So 64 upon 36 is equals to 256 upon b square. Evaluating it, we get as b square equals to 144. So we have b square, we have a, which is 6. So a square is 36. And the equation of hyperbola becomes, putting a square and b square in place, we get x square upon a square, which is 36, and y square upon b square, which is 144, is equal to 1. So this is the equation of hyperbola. Then the equation of normal is a square x upon x1 plus b square y upon y1 is equals to a square plus b square. We have a square and b square, which is 144 and 36. Adding both of them, we get 180. So we have a square plus b square as 180. Then we put a square over here, it's 36x upon x1. Now x1 is this point, x coordinate of this point 10, 16, which is 10, so it's 36x upon 10. Then we have b square y, which is 144y upon the y coordinate of this b point, which is 16, so which is 1y1, 144y upon 16. Then we reduce it, basically it becomes x upon 50 plus y upon 20 equals to 1. Then we take denominator and transfer it to the RHS. Finally we get the equation as 2x plus 5 is equals to 100.